Welcome to my section. I am Hampika. I completed my PG on Electronics and Communication, Embedded Systems. Now I am working as assistant professor in IARE college. Here I would like to share my one of my project which is really useful in upcoming generations, and also in real time it helps a lot to save a lot of lives. Whereas my project is design of drunk and drive detection device. Fine, as we all know that drunk and drive detecting, we have already one device. Then again, why this ongoing process? Especially even in our India, it is like globalizedly it became very fast, very advanced. Whereas in metropolitan cities, as you see, like very weak of culture became very huge. And of course, there is a lot of police effort to check with these drunk and drive detections and few points. But whereas on my project, what it is, which not completely 100% sweep out with manpower or like with manually, by automation we can do in a 40 way. So here I would like to introduce this device in an automation way on automobiles. Fine. Like, then what are the needs for this project to do? It is very simple. The simple thing changes huge influence on reducing the drunk and drive accidents and deaths. Here, to need this, we use it to implement alcohol detection in any vehicle, mostly in four wheelers, and even we can use this device in two wheelers also. By using alcohol sensor and other advanced technology collaborating, we are doing this project. These are the few needs for this project. Like, I'm very sad to say that year by year, even in our India, it becoming like very huge loss for these drunk and drive accidents, huge loss of lives. Life is more precious than anything, right? Here the pity thing is, along with this drunken person, the other person also affecting. Accident will happen between two vehicles, right? So just to avoid this thing, I would like to introduce this project. Then my ideology is very simple and clear that here, as I said you previously, I am using alcoholic sensor. One I placed it steering, and the other one I placed it start button. When the person about to start the engine itself, we use it to touch the start button. Now the automobiles became smarter. They give, instead of key, they give buttons. So if there is a button, we'll place there. In case in old models also, there is steering, right? When the driver seated on this place, it will sense by the breath of this person, it will sense either the person is all drunken or not. So these are the two spots I blame this alcohol. Makes sense. Whereas how it works, as I shown here, based on this sensor, it will detect. Then it will send signal to the processor what we are using. As here I use Raspberry Pi, even Arduino is also fine to attach these devices. Then it will send the signal. When it sends the signal, we have a small display and a alert section with buzzer. It sounds and it displays that either the person is drunken or person is not drunken. If a person is not drunken, then buzzer didn't give any alert. When it is display, when it gives signal, the ignition engine automatically lock if the person is drunken. Then what happens? Automatically, here I inserted a SIM along with this device using GSM module. Then what it will send the message automatically to the concerned person. What, like to whom one person is with a home mobile system, and other with like 100 or 108, because Already if person is drunken, then how can he reach to his home? He can't, as we off the engine. So just we are intimating to the persons to make him to go to his place. And again through GPS it shares the location as well. This is the architecture of this project. Here I used Raspberry Pi, and here along with this alcohol sensor, one of the main thing is again camera module. So this I'm developing. Still, it's in a progress. Whereas like along with these two, camera module will capture the image of the driving person. Based on this capturing using iris recognition, we are detecting either the person is drunken or not. Because here I am making it a little advanced along with alcohol sensor. Why? Because for sometimes if passenger is heavily drunken, then there may be chance that this steering what we place the alcohol sensor at steering, there may be chance it is a closed area, it will off. That is the main flaw only with the alcohol detector. So I attached a camera module and using a neural network technique through iris recognition. I'm collaborated this one, and LCD will display is this driver is alcoholic or not. This is the simulation like here through breadboard. I made a prototype. I attached LCD buzzer and alcoholic sensor and even camera module GSM. These all the this is the simple simulation. And here, as I previously explained, one of the device which gives alert either the person is drunken or not using this buzzer only. The buzzer is, as we all are familiar, it gives a beep sound, and based on this, it will alert. Okay, as buzzer is sounding, I am drunken, so fine. Even the driving person is not worried why this car is not able to start, why this bike is not able to start. Again, this is the alcoholic sensor which detects the alcohol. The sensor functionality is detecting the alcohol content. So when person is drunken through the breath, it will detect either the person is alcohol taken or not. When it sends the signal, this is the LCD output for the display purpose. Why engine locked? As alcohol detected, engine locked. Alcohol not detected, engine started. When automatical engine lock, this message will send to the concerned persons. Yeah, this is a very simple project but which influences the huge in real time. Be safe, drive smart. Thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.